AC recovery, vacuuming and recharging procedure. Prerequisites for AC recovery and charging. Use separate container as per oil specification. If the oil is interchanged, it may damage the compressor. Ensure sufficient quantity of recommended refrigerant is available in the machine. Ensure uninterrupted power supply during this activity. Place machine on level surface and ensure zero error corrections at HP and LP pressure gauges. Park the vehicle on the level surface in the service bay. AC recovery and filling is required during removal and refitment of AC components due to complaints related to ineffective AC cooling, leading activities related to removal and refitment of other components, radiator, engine, etc. For recovering, vacuuming, and recharging refrigerant, we use recovery and recharging machine recommended by Ashok Leyland. AC servicing consists of recovery, vacuuming with leak test, oil filling, refrigerant filling, emptying hoses. Open the dust cap. Unlock the load cell. Ensure high pressure and low pressure adapters knobs in closed condition. Red hose meant for high pressure and blue hose meant for low pressure line. Connect the HP and LP hoses to the vehicle charging port. Then tighten the knob. In engine off condition, high pressure and low pressure gauges in the machine shows equal reading. Refrigerant pressure is equal in suction and discharge lines. Assisted or manual procedure. Follow the instructions shown in the machine LCD screen. Opt for assisted procedure and enter. Recovery or recycling. Before removing any component from the system, we need to recover AC refrigerant from the system. Open the HP and LP taps. Check the pressure in HP and LP side of the system. Both should be same, which is between 5 to 7 bar. Once you press start, recovery process starts and machine will show the amount of refrigerant recovered from the system. Compressor oil in the system also will be recovered during the process. Once both refrigerant and oil is recovered, system will show the recovered quantity. System will display end of recovery and press reset. If recovered refrigerant quantity is too low, there is a possibility of leak in the system. Note down the oil quantity and color recovered from the system. Recovered oil color indicates health of the system. Black means compressor oil is contaminated. Grayish-white means oil is good. Yellow means moisture in the oil. In case of any abnormality in the oil, please flush the system. Vacuuming. Vacuuming is done to ensure that there is no residual refrigerant and moisture is present in the system. Vacuum hold is done to ensure there is no leakage in the system. Start vacuum process from the system main screen and run the vacuum process for 20 minutes. Since this machine is inbuilt with vacuum hold process also, it will be done when 7 minutes are left for vacuuming process to complete. Vacuum hold process take 1 minute to check any leakage in the system. If there is any leakage, machine will not move to the next step. If there is no leakage in the system, vacuuming process will continue for next 6 minutes and complete the process. After vacuuming is completed, system will display end of vacuuming process and press reset after that. Oil filling. Here we need to fill the oil back to the system. Fill the same quantity of recovered oil back to the system. For various AC suppliers, recommended oil quantity is different. So ensure that the right oil is filled in the machine. Note, while receiving the AC compressor after repair from the OEM, ensure above quantity is filled before fitment. If you are replacing any of the AC components, respective quantity of oil to be injected as per below table. If wrong oil is filled, it may lead to damaging the compressor. Select oil injection option in the machine. Press enter and enter quantity of oil to be injected. It will take few seconds to fill the oil. Once oil filling process is complete, we need to proceed to the next step. Next step is refrigerant filling. Refrigerant filling or recharging. Refrigerant charging is the process where we refill the refrigerant back into the system. We need to fill the required quantity of refrigerant based on the vehicle model or cabin. Recommended quantity for respective models. To recharge refrigerant, select filling option from the main menu and start the process. We need to enter required quantity of refrigerant in the machine. Accordingly, refrigerant will be filled into the system. Follow the instructions shown in the machine LCD screen. Close HP and LP tabs, then press start to continue. Start the engine and turn on the AC system for AC pressure test. Then press start to continue. Check the pressures in the HP and LP gauges. It should be 1 to 3 bar in low pressure side and 12 to 18 bar in high pressure side under ambient conditions. This is done to ensure healthy operation of the AC system. Disconnect high pressure hose. Open HP and LP taps. Check the pressures in the HP and LP gauges. Allow high and low pressure to equalize. It should be same in both gauges, which is around 1.5 to 3 bar. Turn off both HP and LP taps in the machine. This completes vacuuming recharging of the refrigerant process. Once this is completed, we need to empty the pipes also. We need to select emptying pipes option in the main menu under recovery option. Loosen both HP and LP hose knobs before emptying the hoses. Once emptying pipes is done, disconnect the couplers and keep the recovery or recharging machine safe and secure. Thank you.